What's up YouTube? This is the Wisco Boater channel. My name is Chad, and this video is going to reveal the color of the boat. We're going to get it painted. First I need to do just some light sanding on the primer coat. I'm not going to video that, but after I get it prepped, the paint will be here in a couple days. So we'll be putting on paint very soon, so hope you enjoy. Okay, paint day is here. I've got the boat wiped down and masked off. See, I've got blue painter's tape all the way around the rub rail. The helm is wrapped up. The red crosshairs is for our parking guide whenever there's a vehicle over here, which is not very often. But we are ready to put paint on. So I will now reveal the color of the boat right now. Okay, I'm using Duralux marine coatings. This is Biloxi Blue. And let's get this opened up. Here is the color. Biloxi Blue, so kind of a dark aqua blue color. I've never used Duralux marine coatings before, but it has very good reviews, and I'm excited to get this put on. So I'm gonna pour some of that into the container, and we'll get this rolled on. So here comes a time lapse of putting on the Biloxi Blue paint on the Tacoma 14. Have the first coat of Biloxi Blue put on the boat. It's nice and shiny. Definitely will require a second coat. But I think this looks fantastic. It's pretty much exactly the color that I wanted to use for the boat. I will be interested to see what happens when it actually fully dries. So I just finished about 15 minutes ago, got all my brushes and rollers cleaned up. This stuff does take 4 hours to dry, but sometimes longer in a cooler climate. And right now it is a cooler climate. It's only about 60 degrees outside. So I do expect that this is gonna take longer than 4 hours to dry. And it also says on the can to wait 12 to 16 hours before recoating. That allows it to harden. So this will be it for tonight, and hopefully tomorrow I can get the second coat put on. And yeah, this is just looking great. I'll give an update tomorrow before I put the second coat on, just to see what the color looks like. But I'm super happy with this. Okay, it's the next day and we're in between coats here still. I just did a little bit of spot sanding all around the boat. The color is looking really good, but you can see where I've scuffed up the paint, where there's some imperfections. This is not going to be a perfect paint job. I'm not looking for a perfect paint job or a show boat here, so I just want the color to look nice. So I'm calling this this will be a good 10-foot paint job. It'll look good from 10 feet, and any closer than that, you'll probably find some imperfections, but that's totally fine. I don't have a paint booth in the garage here, and I don't feel like setting one up, so I know I'm not going to get a perfect nice zero imperfection paint job here. There's going to be some stuff in the paint. I just can't keep dust and fuzz and stuff like that from flowing through the garage, so it will be what it will be. But I love the color, and I'm going to put the second coat on, and I'll show you what it looks like when that's done. That should be the last coat. Just 2 coats of this stuff is really all that's required. So looking good so far. Second coat of paint is on. It looks fantastic. It is still wet, so I will do one more clip, I think, on this video after it has fully cured. But that's going to be after the holiday weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend, and we're heading up to Thirsty Whale in the morning tomorrow. So when I get back, when this is all fully cured, I'll do one more clip just to see if this has changed color at all. It'll change just a little bit, I think. But you can see I've already taken the masking tape off of the rub rails and the hull ID, as well as the tie-down eyes. But overall, man, I love this color. Well, I'm back from the weekend, Memorial Day weekend up on Thirsty Whale. The color of the boat hasn't changed all that much, but it's completely hardened and cured. So I think I'll wrap this video up here. I'll wait for the big sunlight reveal until I get everything done on the inside of the boat, get the motor back on, get the steering all hooked back up, and we'll pull it outside and see what it looks like. So thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one, of course, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Happy boating, everybody.